Hello internet friends. I am at Fort Howard. I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. It is freaking cold outside. Yeah, it's 32 degrees. A little chilly. I'm doing my makeup in the car because it seemed easier than messing it up on the way here and having to stress about it. Scoot this seat back. Doing my eye moisturizer. Just throw a little bit on there. Go ahead and tuck this behind my ears for now. I already lost one earring. Rude. Some primer. Some concealer. Because I can't afford foundation and concealer. It's one or the other, my dudes. Can you? Thank you. Take all them color out my cheeks. Doing some gothy goodness. Much excite. Whole bunch of trucks. Don't know what all these trucks are doing. But I'm doing my makeup. That's my job. They can do whatever they're doing, as long as I can do what I need to do. Pretty much my goal with this look is for you to be like, is that a goth kid or a ghost? That's the vibe I'm after here. I keep seeing cars, and I have no idea what this photographer drives. So I'm like, am I like fucking things up? Are they here? I don't know. I'd say so far so good on the ghost or goth kid vibe. Subscribe for mascara face. Got a little bit of a messy thing going on. I dig it. The hair out rolling behind my ears. I think that's makeup. So from there, I really just need to figure out what I'm doing. Let's tone a little bit. Somebody told me before that the Lime Crime Velveteen makes me look dead, so it feels appropriate. So yeah, at this point, I really just need to get dressed, which I can't totally do. So I'm pretty much ready to go. Here is the makeup. It's a little bit splotchy, but again, it's some gothy, like, ghosty vibes. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, do all that good stuff. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, internet friends. Mwah!